quickly, mami run into this particular A case. The audition for Aya Branty Feno Gvardiol still continues. World Cup no up the networks edu a certain standard. Yehunu how in the league in terms of the German Bundesliga or try to be proved say or one of the young centre backs we say we are team looking forward. Some bit me afana manabo team. The audition for Gvardiol is not only about the quality of possess Abu Dhabi, but the audition for Gvardiol is about how we prove we are say a ton of 97 million pounds. And share the contract more or deserve that particular kind of money. They will see it in the tunnel. Players are no more dia or promo or type bread in terms of quality. Deal we are some kakrane bini left back upebia in terms of quality. Din kakra left center back upebia ana quality no din kakra. Then a deep lying playmaker, especially in a number 6 role, Busquets mo type ni bino upebia obre. It is your positions be of football more the moment ubenya a player or such quality our ball with the needed experience at that stage now. Anna Abu Dhabi ehun adwuma so pa. Chelsea akon. Chelsea chance ya no call with 90 million euros. Anfa ekoton chen baby. Chelsea wanted to use Kovacic to enter into negotiations and make sure some betima sign a Branty we amaneti ma besi aka dia momo. But ene Kovacic no ni sika sem ne kramponi Chelsea nyankan wi eno no ba kodan chen. Manchester City fully signed on this particular player. Pep Guardiola nya umbefa no. Man City were 5 senior centre backs. Ruben Dias, John Stones, Nathan Ake, Laporta Munina or this particular Manuel Akanji mu 5. We become 6, but they will need to sell. But I'm here Branty we pa just because they need a left-footed centre back to come in because Mon Shedan so much convinced about the situation of Nathan Ake. Last season the card koko. Itomunya Branty we maneba ebebo we will height, the ability to pass so well or will pace. Everything you need in a centre back, he has the quality to give you. Real Madrid is eager to bring him in. Because Omuji to me, say Rudiger or Hodie, Alaba or Hodie, but Abu Dhabi, the case near say your type A and type B centre backs. This is a player who can give you both. And age is also one offer. Real Madrid nana, Omudi Nbabe said to Ramana Bebo Mode. And Real Madrid met his agents after the World Cup. Edidim konwoso munya Branty we woso mutimi tono e ma ne besi akan de mo Abu Dhabi Liverpool enye sikasem na ebro mo so Liverpool feels that ohwe Van Dijk age no he multiple fade out Kunate and a long standing centre back omuji 2 years in the near future na be di akiro aboso wan na e partner no komunya Branty we ma ne ba kebeboa it will these clubs ni no money abrison pesos almost say Branty we I tell you the quality possess but Abu Dhabi at the Kudientia, all these clubs and near bread, the audition continues tonight. And in your mouth, bet me from a Branty way, these particular numbers. Smarter scouts for boy with a certain statistics concerned with a Branty with the qualities be Okutano. And Abu, already dear, pen the qualities Okutano from smarter scout no. The defending intensity. That means or engaging opponent attackers a lot on your centre backs now tete. O yin most of the time he wants to stay close to the opponent's attackers. And no force opponents no do na momunya the defending impact which is turnovers a hold on. Omoje ball na then quick movement, counter attack part to part. But let me say the quality of centre backs nowadays enye bim bim. Enye mapemo, enye metwaw. Ball recovery is your quality there Abu Dhabi. Share carry and dribble volume. Now when the progressive passing. As a centre back of football not the ball ni piaba. Unu se ne money more sropa. Kwa fasu ejeja passes mu call left, right, center. Utimi say the passes no eyade etimi create a lot of goal scoring opportunities. This is a center back Abu Dhabi. The audition will continue tonight at Etihad Stadium. But Abu, this is a game I made 2 years away prove it to be the difference in terms of the defensive capabilities of team fan lives again. Now Manchester City rely on the quality of fire Branty fan Fufudi. Obi akasa about Branty fan Riyad Mahrez because of the goal involvement awanya this season penny age. And even the UEFA Champions League. But we are trying to find for the year. Open players for more occupy half spaces for this particular Manchester City team in some few games on Maba. A specific example. You just feel Foden against a Newcastle. Quite fast into a centre backs no AJ ball because of the quality of the ball retention. So team could ball closely or play ball on the Chebaku Mienu at the ball to net. And Omo has said, yeah, so this is it. It will how Foden moved between even Dan Ben. In the half spaces now, Panyai. Or J Bon and the close control in the penalty box. Uchana penalty. The boy is in the net. You have your goal. And these are teams who tie City deeper. Who try some hit on counter break. No more tie this hard in the year. So against team and friend Leipzig, who expect to say Leipzig best City back. And on City back, you rely on such qualities like Foden. Adi our year against a team and friend in Newcastle to get the level of results that you need. But Abu, on open play, this is a game I feel Manchester City will struggle, especially looking at the quality of a team friend Leipzig in terms of running in behind an opponent. Two strategies from using the first leg. First one, Benjamin Hendricks. Ebe Lucas Klosterman. Oye ni free munafe omako overloaded the left part of a team. You from Manchester City baby aka woka gina no. That means Nathan Ake no the boy as the left back no. You bet me that particular the strategy number 1. Omo using against Manchester City in the first game. Iti moboya ubehu ni se omo nyina bo apeso left hand side ono. No nya yet Nathan Ake ono ko ate ne hu gina faako. Then Benjamin Hendricks ebe occupy that particular space no. The number 2 style that they use is to make sure say City fullbacks and City global fullbacks. And omo bo game the way it will hear City ankasa Nathan Ake be on nam. Then Timo Werner will occupy the space Carl Walker. Ebejan wo honom no. Just to make sure say make me exploit City omo fullbacks no mo jano. Abu open game over 1.5. Me to me say if there's any team to qualify, it is City because of the experience that they have. When another make the first one, her baby Benjamin Hendricks there.
Yes.
Her baby Ojina. Now how more overcrowded or overloaded City right hand side which is Leipzig left hand side. She players it is space we know occupy and one and these are strategies they will have to use. But don't rule a team a friend or Leipzig out from scoring tonight. Abu Dhabi they'll be on the front foot, but I believe experience will count in this aspect and City will find a way through. But Abu and then you support to qualify man in your one.
And a Porto qualified of Inter.
17 years in here. AC Milan and Inter Milan and qualified to the quarter-final of the Champions League together.
Saying 17 years.
Omumbo quarter-final Momuda. The last time I see was in 2005-2006 season. And AC Milan and Inter Milan in the quarter-final. 2005-2006. And Omumio qualify for the Champions League quarter-final. Now, dear Huni said the last 8 visits of Inter Milan to Portugal, Omo renew one.
SOMPA.
The last 8 visits, Omo renew one. And what was her first leg in Ibiano? Abu, the quality of a player like Mehdi Taremi shouldn't be underestimated. This season in the Champions League, who a player back up on one team creative chance man who are or averaging an XG of 5.5. Abu, including penalties. As expected goals are OG2 years also to me share.
Oh, okay.
And on one creating 9 good chances. Abu 18 shots in the penalty box. Key player for a team FC Porto. While we had the first leg, me how our Inter Milan will be able to control his movement in the penalty box. First leg where you know be me you be. O realize ya on one hand who went to me and Fabo Antoinette. The first one, the movement. Yeah, when the movement first one or running into a channel right behind the blind spot where the first chance will in the game. Wow, kata Inter Milan players in Inaso. Aha, Onana ne save you. The second one, no Bastoni, you flip be the blind spot. Blind spot near as a center back no. The focus of baby back on the referee who also attack our baby. South to Chrono no exploited what I say. Aha no Onya and watch Inter Milan players Mako 4. Echo one direction. 2 so the actually space na na one now Marco Grujic you pass a ball man and a shot another Onana and Mediterranean in the movement within the penalty box very crucial for it my friend Porto but Inter Milan who odin nyina gina branch friend Hakancha no so Abu Dhabi that guy is underrated when it comes to shooting as a obi a dead ball specialist for Nibino say corner kick where you shooting qualities I watch this season 101 shot or average 2.12 shots per 90 minutes. Baby, I know, Abu baby around running in the general. Average distance of shot 3 years, 25 years. It was no man penalty box moonwabo. It is a man who was a mobile game now, or Timinya Baku, who says, slow. Keep on any Nasubo said, and let's say Panay. That is what Hakancha and Oglu can give you. And ball retention, Abu. According to Smarter Scout, one of the players on ball retention was through this season. Brante Fene Akancha no Glabu. Share the ball retention ability, and I say 89/99. or Chebona, you could see it's never the progressive passing or top passing left, right, center. If there is going to be someone who is going to decide this particular game for Inter Milan, I bet through set pieces. Maybe Boba Kubina Lukaku, Eden Waje Panyai, and I can't challenge global long shot be. But don't underestimate the quality of faith in the Mediterranean. I'm being bold enough. Porto will qualify tonight, and Abu Dhabi will qualify. Anytime goal scorer can be Mediterranean. Even if Inter Milan will qualify, me who say bet me remove extra time. Now regular time panie. Me who say Inter Milan will qualify.
Mate, Akomeah, me da sepa prophet.